Pomulero, 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 pomulero TV.
I've never seen any other person call God in Yoruba language. I know about Olodumare. Let's start with the meaning of Olodumare. If you speak in Yoruba, you know the word Odu. It means a pot. Mare means that it's never exhausted. So the man who has the pot that is not exhaustible. In English, it means Almighty. Everything is within it. That is Olodumare. Now, if you want to tell me that Yoruba have many gods, I have a book, if a city with 201 gods, mention them. If you are speaking Yoruba, have you heard anybody who says Ṣàngó Ọlọ́run, or Ọya Ọlọ́run, or Ògún Ọlọ́run? I have never heard it. Ṣàngó, Ọya, Ògún, that's a name we call them. Orisha. Does Orisha mean God? No. If you speak the Yoruba language, Orisha is a normally when you have language, Olodumare, we put it together because Olodu tí ò kéré, we shorten it. Orisha is shortened form of Orisha. Ori is your destiny. Picks you out. So the meaning of Orisha, àwọn tí Orisha, àwọn tó jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run dá wọn, ó fún wọn lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti ṣe nǹkan kan. And if you take the Orisha Yoruba, every Orisha ó ní nǹkan tó ṣe. Ògún Orisha ni wọ́n sọ pé Ọlọ́run. Òun lọ́lọ́run fún lẹ́bùn láti kọ́kọ́ mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ọkọ́ àtàdá. Ọ̀rúnmìlà lọ́lọ́run fún lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lọ́gbọ́n tó mọ́ fi kọ́ wa. Ṣàngó ló kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n àti mú iná wáyé electricity. Àwọn tó Orisha láti wá gbé nǹkan ribiribi ṣe láyé ló ń jòrìṣà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà mórúkọ ìyá ẹ̀ Alájẹrù. Jágùtà lórúkọ bàbá ẹ̀. Òkè Gẹ̀tì náà bí sí. Ṣé ìyẹn lọ́lọ́run? Lórí pé the idea of Allah is somebody who is not of this world, who descended from space. Those are the ideas of the Romans and the Greeks. Even it's in the Bible. Mr. Modubo Oduyoye was a priest of the Anglican Church. He ran into difficulties because he wrote a book. Genesis chapter 1 to 16. Sons of God and daughters of men. In the Bible. At the beginning, the sons of God, who was from God, àwọn Ọlọ́run bọ́ mara Jésù. We don't have that in Yoruba. Ọya is from Ọ̀fà. Mọ́remí is from Ọ̀fà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà is from, we know where they are born. They are heroes. They are human beings, but they have done what most people could not do, and they single themselves out as contributors to the development of the Yoruba people. Nǹkan tèmi sọ ni pé tẹ́ bá ti rí ibi tí Yorùbá sọ Yorùbá tó ní Ṣàngó Ọlọ́run, tó ní Ọya Ọlọ́run, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí. Òrìṣà ló mọ̀ pé kò ní pè lọ́lọ́run. So the idea of having many gods, no. A mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run kan ló wà. Ó ní Ifá lọ́ba, Òrìṣà lọ̀sìn. Ọba Olódùmarè nìkan là ń gbẹ́kẹ̀lé, ó wà nínú Ifá. Ifá lọ́ba, Òrìṣà là ń lò lábẹ́, but Olódùmarè nìkan ló wà lókè. So Yorùbá ò, àwọn tó lọ ń ṣe bí ẹni pé tẹ́ bá wo àwọn church, St. Matthew's Day, St. Paul's Day. Ṣé Ọlọ́run ni St. Paul? November 1, All Saints Day. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń pè ní St. Paul, St. Peter yẹn èèyàn ni wọ́n. Torí pé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan pàtàkì nígbà tí ìgbàgbọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ la fi ń pè wọ́n ní saint. So àwọn tá à ń sọ yìí torí pé wọ́n gbé nǹkan ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ ká lọ síwájú la fi ń pè wọ́n lórìṣà. So the translation of Òrìṣà is saint. and èèyàn ló dẹ̀ sọ̀yàn ní saint up to today pope ló ń pè yàn ní saint ọlọ́run ò dá saint ẹ̀ tó ń pè ní saint yẹn èèyàn ni kì í ṣọ̀run ló ti wá àwọn tó jẹ́ àpọ́nlé táwọn tiẹ̀ torí pé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan dáadáa fún wa àwọn ló ń jòrìṣà wọn kì í ṣe ọlọ́run small god ọlọ́run kékeré kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí ọlọ́run lásán ọlọ́run kan ló wà olódùmarè dẹ̀ ni.
Pomulero, 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 pomulero.